All right, man. What's up with it do? What's popping, everybody? Man, it's Ricky Too Easy coming back at y'all with part 7 of the FIFA 20 Wolves FC, the Americas Rebuild. All right. So, last 3 games, man, we won 2 of them. We tied with Chelsea 2-2. Go and check that video out. And I'm going to just go ahead and simulate. All right, man. All right, man. Nothing really went down. So, we're going to go ahead and start the game. All right.
Here we go. It's opened up. We knew about the pace, and it was too quick for the opposition. Great goal. Well, what a sight.
Let's go, baby.
The opposition.
He was running a lot. He was running hella fast, huh?
What a gift. Strikers dream about moments like this. A tap in.
Yeah, it's not often that you do get what is literally an open goal, and he wasn't going to miss it.
To get possession back after being under pressure for some time.
Oh my God, what a pass. Come on, come on, come on. Let's make something happen.
It must be.
Come on.
Oh, great.
Let's go.
Oh, what a fine goal.
Let's go. Let's go.
Good value.
I thought it was a penalty.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment.
My bad, man. That was a little moth or something, like a little fly.
You can't believe.
All right, man. So, 2 goals in this quarter. Nothing much. We're going to go ahead and get to the next half.
Diogo Jota has to score. Well, now it looks like a question of just how many.
Oh, that was offside, man. Oh, no, it was a goal. Let's go. I thought it was offside. I heard a whistle. Let's go, man. 3-0, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's Jimenez, man. You know. I mean, you know. If you know, you know.
They seem to be heading for a comfortable lead here.
Space to go forward into with the ball. Threads it through.
Oh, that was a crazy goal. I gotta say, that was a crazy goal. That was a crazy goal. Let's get to this.
It's really trying to spot potential ball to open them up. They're keeping the ball well. They'll work hard to get it here. And he's in.
Ooh.
And chances now. What a good way to score.
Well, he's only been on the pitch a matter of minutes. I'm not sure he's touched the ball before this, but a vital touch there to score.
Important for them to get the next goal. And they've got it.
All right, man.
Still in the
3-2.
contest.
Let's go.
Still 7 minutes left on the clock. He fancies his chances of getting past these players. Is this game set and match? Yes, it is!
They've been by far the better side, and the scoreline reflects that.
Let's go, Jimenez, man. Let's go. 4-2, man. Woo. What a pass from Bailey, though. I ain't gonna lie. Look at that.
Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment.
Invention
Let's go.
there, but,
Look at this.
He'll hope to do better next.
Oh, shit. Oh, it's
That's a
no.
triple
Don't look at that. I'm tripping. I'm tripping.
Could pull one back here. And they
I
have
messed
done.
that up. I
Whoa,
messed that up
what a
so
finale
bad.
in these
I
closing
messed that up
minutes.
so
Can
bad.
they get an equaliser?
Well, it all looked done and dusted,
They can't.
didn't
I
it?
mean, they
think
can't
the
get an
crowd
equalizer,
believed
but I
that.
messed that up
Not
so bad.
anymore, they
So
don't.
bad. So bad.
Well, the defending hasn't... And it's come to an end now. As the referee
Anyway, we got
calls
the
a halt.
dub, man. That was my
Great
mistakes.
example here of counter-attacking football. They
But that's how
threw
the game go.
opposition
All
onto
right,
them.
man. So
They
let's
did.
get to the
They have got
next.
players with
No, let's
pace,
get to the
they've
menu.
got
Let's get to
fans
the.
out there that can
Yeah, let's get to the
finish.
menu, man. Let's go. All right, man. So we're in the menu right now. Let's see what we can do. All right, man. Last time that we played Manchester City, we lost 3-1. Hopefully, we could do better in this match. Man, nothing really has happened. So I'm kind of mad. I am kind of mad. I hate boring games. I just hate them.
It's Johnny.
Yeah, I hate them.
Maybe expected a bit more, but 2 added minutes. Fernandez. Oh, great chance.
All right, man.
It's half-time and we're still waiting
Nothing
for the
really
first
happened
goal.
in this half. Not many real highlights, man.
Well,
So
he's
we're
been
gonna
in the
get back
game,
to the
hasn't
second
he?
half.
That's
All right.
the best we can say. Good vision, played over the back of the defenders. Striding forward, purposefully. Jimenez! And there it is, the opening goal.
We did that. We did that right away, man. We needed it. Let's go. I know they're not playing their starters, man, but we don't care about that. We just need to win.
And he scored them one here.
And that's a goal well worth analysing again.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, a lot of people have been talking about this one. Looking forward to it.
Let's go. Let's go, Bailey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh.
After this, the visiting team are involved in this fixture in the Premier League, and you can join us on EA Sports. Slipping it through. Taking on a couple of opponents now. Pulls it back now. Pressure has told.
All right. All right. All right. Let's go. And that's not their starting striker. That's a youngster. Greenwood.
This lad
I believe he's English. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Well, just over 84 minutes gone, 6 minutes left on my watch. Must take the lead here. If they do with so little time left, surely that's the winner.
Oh, I just thought that was
Let's go, baby. Eric Gutierrez, our sub, Mexican sub. Let's go, man.
Best time to score. Game almost over.
Let's go, man. Let's go.
Manchester United are behind. So not much time left at all. What does this mean, Alan, for their next game?
Well, Manchester United go up against Arsenal after this, and well, if they play like this, they're not going to get much out of it.
Manchester United in trouble, and they've got to play better if they're going to pull a rabbit out of the hat here.
Well, Old Trafford here is doing its very best to cheer on the players to produce something that they need in these final few moments.
Official has indicated there will be a minimum
2 more minutes to play, that of added time. Shaw. Fernandez. Sace. Bruno Fernandez.
Let's go, man. We won this game, man. Let's get to the next game, man. 2-1 on this cup game. They weren't playing their starters, so that's okay. We're gonna go to the next game. All right, man. So I believe we're going to our third game of the episode. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. It's too easy. Oh my God. They started off strong. All right, let's go. All right.
Well, let's see that again. Oh, it's so sweetly hit. Look at his technique. Absolutely brilliant. He's got the power.
All right.
As you can see, the visitors don't have too much of the ball, but they won't mind. They're winning this game. And why? Because their counter-attack.
Moutinho! And they've done it to square the game.
Let's go, Moutinho, man. You see that? That was him. That was all him. That was all Moutinho. Look at that drag, man. Look at that pullback. Boom. Oh, yeah. That's Moutinho. All the way. All day. Let's go.
It might be the moment to get them ahead.
2 minutes.
Well, it might still work out for them. And he clears it.
Oh, my God. Okay, so
He awarded a free kick for that.
first half, 1-1.
We have more live.
That's all we got. That's all we got going on right now, man. That's all we got going on, man. So we're gonna go ahead to the second half, all right, man?
Diogo Jota now.
Come on.
It's got to be. And this time, it's in.
Jimenez, man, you can't mess with Jimenez.
Well, we can
Honestly, the Mexican sensation himself. Yeah.
The keeper just can't react.
Yeah.
A chance to
We're gonna try to make some changes though. Let's go. Ah, it can't be, it can't be, it can't be, man. Hold on. Hell no, it can't be, it can't be. Hold on. Okay. Nothing. Let's go.
Drawing board, young man.
In possession, Deo de Feu. Gray. No problem grabbing hold of that one. Now here's Johnny. Leon Bailey. Space on the flank. Bailey. And he cuts inside. Well, he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did.
Oh my God.
The electronic board has been held aloft. 2 additional minutes here.
Added time.
No way.
And this is Diogo Jota now. Well, the attack promising as it was, scuppered there. And there goes the final whistle.
Man, 2-1. This one was a good game. Watford, they started off 1-0, but we came back. All right, man. So wait for the next episode, man. We gonna go crazy. I'm telling y'all, man. I know y'all see the thumbnails now. I'm going crazy with the thumbnails. Now I'm gonna go crazy with the actual videos of it. All right, man. I hope you enjoy it, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and it's really too easy. Let's go.